Suede Jordan 11. Y'all better put some respect on his name. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Low Jeter Respect. Now, the Jordan 11 Low Jeter is the low top interpretation of the mid top version of the Jordan 11 Jeter, which released last year as an auction only pair, and it was only limited to I think about 8 pairs in total, and those pairs have reached $40,000 on like Stadium Goods and other places. So that's almost impossible for anyone to get unless you really about that bag. But this year, Jordan Brand decided to give us the Jordan 11 Low version, and I'm completely happy with that. First off, let's take a look at the box. The box is kind of reminiscent to the box for the Jordan 3 from 1994, which has got a kind of like a bunch of little things that pay homage to Jordan, and it also has a red Jumpman right at the top. So some of the things on the top, they've got the Wing It poster for the Jordan 2, you've got the Last Shot, you've got the Jordan 1 Royal poster when he was wearing the black and blue, you got the Jordan 11 sketch, the Jordan 3 sketch, you also got another Jordan 11 sketch, the Jordan 6 retro card. This was one of the posters used for the Jordan 7 retro card. This is the Jordan 7 poster. On the left side panel, you have a couple other details, like the Jordan 11 sketch and the Jordan 2. And on the other panel, you have another set of posters. You got a Jordan 11 poster, you have another Jordan 11 sketch, and the Jordan Jam and Slam poster, which is actually a really hard find. On the front, you've got the Jordan Wings poster, the stretched out poster, and the Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly. Overall, it is a really nice touch for such a premium shoe, and it's very fitting. And the colorway for the shoe is binary blue and sail. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has an all suede upper, and it's in binary blue. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a suede tongue. On the left shoe, it says Jumpman Jordan, and in the right shoe, it says Respect. Respect being the tagline for Derek Jeter right before he retired. The shoe also has a set of wax laces, and I'm not a fan of wax laces at all. I legitimately hate wax laces. But for those who aren't fans of wax laces, it also comes with a second set of laces, and these are the standard rope laces. Furthering the premium look of the shoe, you get plastic Jordan 11 shoe trees. It's just a great touch all around for the shoe. Like low tops, I can't remember a single low top that's had the Jordan 11 plastic shoe tree. None are coming to mind, at least. The left insole says Respect, and the right shoe has the 2 logo for the insole. Moving towards the heel, you got a suede mudguard, and the quality on this suede is just, it's amazing. Like, when I look at this shoe, I definitely feel like this is a quality shoe. On the heel, you've got the 2 branding for Jeter, as well as the white Jumpman. The medial is exactly the same as the lateral, so you've got the navy suede upper with the suede mudguard. You have a Phylon midsole with the carbon fiber shank plate, and you have the sail outsole with the pods and the Jumpman logo right in the center. All around, I love this shoe. Like, there isn't a single thing about this shoe that I would change. I was disappointed at first when I saw the shoe had wax laces, but we also had a set of rope laces as well, which basically solved the single issue I had with the shoe. Quality-wise, the shoe is just amazing. Like, I can't speak highly enough about this suede. It's a soft, premium feeling suede, and there shouldn't be any question of if you should get it or not. It's more or less a question of can you get it or not, because from what I've seen, this pair is going to be super limited. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
This is a Ryan Little production.
The Jordan 11 Low Re2pect hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 14th for a retail price of $200. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.